Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do a great coffee using only a mocha. First things first, let's go to the supermarket buy some coffee. You will be impressed how you can do a great strong coffee close to an espresso with high quality using only this mocha. So let me show you how you can do it. Open the mocha. Let's fulfill with water. You need to fulfill until nearly touch this valve. See here, until nearly touch this valve, should be right below the valve. Now you put some coffee in the pot. Just fulfill with coffee. Like that. I like to fulfill with coffee until the top because I like the coffee quite strong, close to an espresso. You can control how you like your coffee, leaving more or less coffee. It's up to you. Just close. And put on the stove, and using the minimum volt. I highly recommend you to try different brands until you find your favorite one. My favorite one is Lavazza. In my opinion, is the best coffee in the world. I like to buy coffee in beans because I can use a grinder to grind the coffee, and in my opinion it's so nice because I feel that fresh smell of coffee, you know. If you liked this video, please subscribe in my channel and give me a thumbs up. Alright, see ya!